Right, so today we're doing a big product review. It's one of my favorite products. I think a lot of people don't generally want to buy it, so I think some reviews on it will really help people open up their minds and start making purchases that they want to make. And so we will be reviewing a bottle of KY jelly. Funny anecdote about this bottle. It is not mine. It is my roommate's. And he just leaves it in the public bathroom for everybody to review. So, getting that going, I'm going to review the fuck out of this thing. And so, in order for you guys to get maximum reviewedness, I decided it was best to pour gasoline on all this. It's two-stroke mixed gas. But yeah, so let's see how good of a product this is. Hold on. I'm gonna light it and then stand back, because there is gasoline on fireworks. God damn it. Alright, we got... Nope. Hasn't caught yet. Hold on, people. God damn. Fucking freezing out. Damn it. Alright, we're just gonna... Yeah, so, this didn't go, as I planned it was going to. The bottle rockets aren't really going off so much. Just some fire. Maybe it was a two-stroke gas fucking did that. But, yeah, I would rate this product, 3 smiley faces out of 10 thumbs ups. So, yeah, I hope this has been insightful.